Hello Hue fans, I'm here to show you the newest innovation from Philips Hue. It's the Hue Twilight bedside lamp. It's the first bedside lamp from Philips Hue. It's not quite cheap, but it has a lot of great functions I would like to show. First of all, we have two LEDs, one at the front for direct lighting and one at the back here for indirect wall washing effects, which is really nice. I will show it to you later. But now let's start at the top of the lamp. There we have two buttons, a dot button and a Hue button. Both of them can be fully configured in the Hue app. You can choose different scenes, different actions. It's really great. You can even control other lamps in the same room with this little button. When you press it long, you will turn off the lights, and then in the middle of the night, when the bedroom is fully dark, you just press once and you can get a little nice night light. You can even dim it further than I can show you here, and you can really choose any scene you would like to have on this button. I will make it a bit brighter to show you another nice detail. That's the Hue button, and here we put on a dimming function. So you put it long, you have a great dimming function, and when you press it long again, once more, the light comes back. Okay, I can show you one more detail. The lamp shade, the top of the lamp, can be turned around almost 180 degrees. So you can point it into the direction where you need the light. And then you have the back LEDs, which make a really nice wall washing effect, which I can show you from a bit further distance, as you can see here. Really nice, and don't forget the lamp is only like 30-35 centimeters high, but the LEDs are pointing towards the top, so you are washing the wall really into the sky, I would say. And that's not the only thing I can show you, the Hue Twilight in white. But there's also a black version, and this one is exclusively on the online shop of Philips Hue, and the price is also $279.99. It's available from today, and I definitely will install it at home, and I'm curious to see how it will fit into my bedroom. There are even more functions you can set onto a button. For example, the go to sleep, which is like a dimmer which dims down the light in a time period of 5 or 15 minutes, just like you want. And in the morning you can use a sunrise effect, and that one I would like to show you in a time lapse.